My name is JV. I am a medical assistant. My goal is to become a Linux system administrator. My name is King Venord, known as JV. I am a certified medical assistant and then also an audio engineer. I am going towards Linux to be a Red Hat certified Linux system administrator. And currently I work in the medical field. Two main reasons. One, higher salary, right? And two, it's a secure employment, because if anything happens, we can always work remotely doing IT work. And Linux, by doing my research, and what kind of got me automatically is the fact is the high paying job. And one, two, it's secure and it's guaranteed that whatever happened in this world, they're still gonna need the IT guy. So the challenge was to the fact that I had to learn the background of it as I was going. And I realized if you stick to it and you do some research, you'll be all right. And that's why you just have to practice. For somebody like me, I just have to practice a little bit harder and then anybody else that's already in the field. That's the only obstacle that I came across. I believe this is the best decision that I've made so far. It's just the beginning for me. First I'm gonna go with the Linux system illustrator. The plan is to become an engineer and also keep going up the ladder. So I believe there's room to extend. That's what I like about it, because you can extend it. It's all up to you. It's not all up to the company where you get a job as like me, for example, as a medical assistant or a nurse or whatnot. I mean, they all level to it, but it all depends on the employer. To get you where you need to get. Compared to being a Linux system administrator, you can get up the ladder to become a senior with an engineer, or you can even go higher if you want to switch to AWS. It's all up to you. So I feel like personally that was a good decision, thanks to a couple of good friends of mine that kind of put me into it. But something I wish I knew 4 years ago. I wish I knew that 4 years ago. But hey, it's never too late. It's all up to you. What do you want? How hard do you want to do it? How hard? So you can accept no failure. You can accept that, it's too hard to do this. Would I be good at it? Or I don't know anything about this. I don't know. You just have to believe. You have to feel it. And then the risk is you have to tell yourself, hey, can I do it? And then once you decide I will do it, you have to stick to it and keep going. And nothing's going to come to you automatically. And then nobody's gonna put anything in your mind for you to get something. It's up to you. Everything is there for you you gotta be able to soak it in. Soak the information in, go do your homework, and then get better, and then get on the level that you need to get. And it's up to you. That's what I think.